Lights out in a blizzard? Stay calm. Small moves matter. I'm Kass, your local lakefront agent. Here are survival basics. Let's go. First, check your circuit breakers. Also check neighbors. Confirm the outage isn't just you. Conserve heat. Close off unused rooms. Layer clothing to retain body heat. Block drafts around windows and doors. Use generators only outdoors, away from windows. Keep space heaters on clear, hard floors. Carbon monoxide is deadly. Don't run fuel devices indoors. Charge phones from a car or a power bank. Keep flashlights and extra batteries ready. On a well? Avoid heavy water use. Melt snow for water if your well fails. Stay updated via battery radio or NOAA alerts. Check on elderly neighbors and anyone vulnerable. Need a hand or local advice? Call 311 for non-emergencies and 911 for emergencies.